welcome back to my channel. My name is Skylar. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all my shelf and everything like that. So let's get started. So first, what we have is some lip glosses up here. They just up here just to be up here. I didn't really have nowhere else to put them, so I just put them up here. But we have my oils. This is my Maya oils and these jojoba oil and just all of my oils. I use tea tree oil, Jamaican black castor oil. So it's a lot of tea tree oil, a lot of Jamaican black castor oil back there. Maya's oil. We got Benta Beauty right here in the bag, and yeah, this is just like where I keep all of my oils. And here we have edge controls. Some of this stuff I haven't gotten around to throwing out yet, but we just have stuff that didn't really match together, like my Talia Wajid and my Cream of Nature Shea Moisture. We got a little bit of Emerge back there, and these are most of my edge controls. Like I said, some of these I haven't gotten around to throwing out yet, but yeah, this is what my edge control is. And here we have my Organics. My Organics is one of my favorite brands. Y'all already know I absolutely love my Organics. We got pomegranate, rice water lime. Pomegranate and honey is forever my favorite line. We have Hawaiian ginger in the bag there. So these two go together. This is the Babasu. What is this? Oh, never mind. They don't go together. Never mind. But they look the same. They look like they got the same packaging. So that's good for me. Next we have Camille Rose. These are the only 3 things I have from Camille Rose, but that's fine. I absolutely love this Almond Joy Twisted Butter and this Cocoa Nibs serum that I have been using, as well as the Curl Love. But this oil, this serum, great. I absolutely love it. Now here, because everything is brown, I put Benta Beauty and As I Am together because they're brown. So I just decided to put those 2 together. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all, we got a little bit of what is this? The rosemary mint. The rosemary mint stuff is in my shower currently at the moment, so yeah. And here we have Melanin. Y'all already know Melanin is one of my favorite brands forever. One of my favorite brands. I absolutely love Melanin hair care. I have 2 of these in the back. If you can see it, Melanin hair care is just one of my favorite brands. Like, ooh, die hard. So if I had to pick which ones was my favorite, Mayel, still in my heart. Camille Rose, I love Camille Rose too. Benta Beauty, As I Am, but Melanin is like number 1. So Mayel is like, I mean, not Mayel, Melanin. Melanin is still number 1. Next, we have some Curls Blueberry Bliss over here. Don't get this, y'all. This, what is this? This stuff right here, if you gonna use it on your edges, do not use it on your edges. I don't know why they came out with that, but they need to do something about this edge control, because sis, it don't work on me. But it works for my mom. My mom is permed, so yeah. But yeah, it does not work on me and my hair type. And next, moving on down, we have, okay, this is my Black Girl sunscreen, which goes right here. But we have some gel. So I am a fan of Eco Gel. I don't care what nobody say. It's the number 1 gel that helps me lay and slay my hair whenever I need a slick bun. Wetline I use more so, I'm actually running out, but Wetline I use more so for my wash and goes. So yeah, Eco, like I said, if somebody decides to come out with a gel that can be Eco with the laying and slaying of my slick buns, let me know. But until then, I'm going to continue to use Eco. Next, we have, I haven't used these bad boys yet. These are the Giovanni Tea Tree Triple Tree Shampoo. And then I have the conditioner. These 2 were $12.99 at TJ Maxx. Like, look at how big it is. These were $12.99 at, not TJ Maxx, I'm sorry, at $12.99 at Marshalls, $12.99. And you get 33.8 fluid ounces. For the size, I think that's definitely worth it. And next, this beauty right here, the Macadamia moisturizing rinse. I've needed more conditioners, so I haven't used this yet either, but I'm definitely going to. Y'all will see a video on that, so stay tuned for this too, the Giovanni. I'm gonna do a wash day on this, and I'm gonna do a wash day with this as well. But this is the Macadamia moisturizing rinse. I got this for $14.99 at Marshall's as well, and this is also 1 liter for $14.99. And if you don't know, Macadamia is also sold in Sally's, and I think for this size it was like $23 or something like that. 23 or 30, I don't know, I have to look at that. But Macadamia, they are expensive, more on the expensive side, but I heard great things about their products, which is why I bought them. I've also heard great things about this Giovanni tea tree shampoo, and y'all know I love anything that has like anything that has eucalyptus or mint, tea tree in it, anything that's gonna make my scalp feel minty and things like that, I am down to use. So next we have True by Made Beautiful. I did a little campaign with them, and I've actually never used this. I want to try to use this on a wash and go. And yeah, got a little True by Made Beautiful there. I can say their what is it, deep conditioners are great. True by Made Beautiful. Next we have a little bit of Pattern Beauty. Got their little mini trial kits, and I got this bad boy right here at Marshall's, and it was $12.99. $12.99 for this at Marshall's, and y'all can see the sticker right there, clear as day. $12.99 at Marshall's. Pattern Beauty. So there, I got the intensive conditioner. Definitely gonna go back to Marshall's to see what else they have in store. And next we have Cream of Nature. Cream of Nature has been that brand since I went natural. When I first went natural, I started using Cream of Nature. So yeah, got a little bit of lotion here, I don't know why, but yeah, Cream of Nature. Okay, I'm so excited to use these. Like, I'm really excited to use these. Okay, so next, this is the Miscellaneous little section of my shelf. So we have both of my, I need to throw this one out because it don't even work like I need it to. But yeah, so we have anything that doesn't really have a home, or you know, that doesn't have like products, you know what I'm saying, anything that is just by itself. For example, like this is by itself, this is by itself, this is by itself. So yeah, and Carol's Daughter shampoo, this is by itself. TGIN back there, got a little TGIN back there. Carol's Daughter, great, I love this right here. This is a good leave-in as well, Aunt Jackie's. I haven't really used Uncle Funky's Daughter in a minute, but I have some. Oh Lord, this is my contact case. I haven't really used Uncle Funky's Daughter in a minute, but they have some good stuff as well. This oil, I do want to tell y'all, this oil is very, very good. And if you like peppermint tea stuff, this oil is good. I hold it so y'all can screenshot it. But yeah, this oil is great. And next we have like some body washes and body lotions that didn't fit down here. This is like my miscellaneous stuff, like all my body washes and not body wash, on my perfume, my lotions and things like that. I can actually put these down here. But yeah, I got deodorant and stuff down here. This Black Girl Sunscreen, definitely great for the summertime. Y'all know it's finna be summer. Black Girl Sunscreen, you can get this at Target and Ulta. Make sure you are using your sunscreen for my beautiful black melanated sisters. Now, this right here, one of my favorites. I just bought this at Walmart. Rose water and pink salt. I absolutely love this by OGX. Their body washes are great. Most of these are by OGX. Oh, this shampoo and conditioner, good too, by Grow Organics. So this right here is definitely one of my favorites, the coconut oil lotion by OGX, as well as the coconut coffee body cream, and the actually the body wash to this is in the shower. So yeah, love that. OGX's body washes and lotions are definitely great, so y'all should definitely try them out. Got a lot of body back here. I tried to do a perm rod set, didn't turn out right. Uncle Funky's. And next we have some African Pride. African Pride is good. I have plenty of videos on African Pride. So yeah, y'all. Oh, Aztec clay mask, that's good too. And yeah, I have a couple of Uncle Funky's Daughters sets here, this little thing. But yeah, so this is the breakdown of my shelf. Oh, Glow and Flow Beauty Supply Store. I want to tell y'all about Glow and Flow Beauty Supply Store. This is where you can follow them. They have great stuff, and they are a black owned beauty supply store. So make sure it's located here in California, especially if you live in the Inglewood area. Make sure, you know, you check out Glow and Flow Beauty Supply Store. They are great. And tell them that Kyla Latrice sent you, especially if you are in California. Period. Just follow Glow and Flow Beauty. Shout out to Glow and Flow Beauty Supply. I absolutely love y'all and y'all work. Love y'all to death. So yes. But yeah, so that is my shelf. That's all of my products that I have. And yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, stay tuned for this video and also pattern. I gotta do a video on pattern as well. And yeah, everything I use, I'm sure most of y'all have seen on my channel. I use everything on this shelf, y'all. Everything on this shelf gets used. And so yeah, except for a couple of these edge controls, because they have DMDM in them, and I just haven't gotten around to throwing them out yet. So yeah, some of these. Oh, Kiss edge control is my favorite at the moment. Kiss Edge Fixer Glued edge control is my favorite at the moment. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, that is all I have for y'all today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.